guys, so today I thought I would do an advanced level buns tutorial. I had some really nice comments from my last buns video, so I hope you enjoy it and give this a try, and make sure you tag me or share with me your attempts at this hairstyle. Enjoy! So today we'll be going from crazy to cute. For the past few days I've been using this hair vitalizer from Do Grow when I go to bed and when I wake up in the morning, on my ends and on my roots. It smells so good. So to start off this hairstyle, you want to split your hair into two, tie one half up, and then you want to wet your roots a little bit, make them a bit more manageable, and create this arc, half circle sort of thing at the front of your head. That'll be where you're making all the banded cuteness. And do the same on the other side. Make sure they are equal. Maybe get someone to check. I don't know, use your finger for a ruler or something. This was an extremely exhausting process. And then what you're going to need to do is check what you're doing with your hair because it's very complicated. I started off by making the back section first. That back little diamond was easiest to start with. So I parted my hair there and banded it. And then I went ahead and did the front diamond, so connected it to that. Make sure it's nice straight lines, take your time. You've got all the time in the world. Then I banded the side ones. I used two different colour bobbles, so I used purple and blue because it's so cute. Then you can go ahead and finish that quad of cuteness by banding up that last one. Okay, so this is where it starts to get complicated. So you pass that inside side one to the outside and the front to the back. Nice and simple. I don't know why, but I felt like I needed like 8 pairs of hands for this, but it's really nice and easy. You just tie that inside one to the outside. I used a Brillo brush just to flatten my hair down and make sure that it was all nice and smooth at the front. And then I used some lock-in gel just to secure it all in place. So once you've tied that last one off at the back, you are left with such a cute little pattern at the front, which looks like you took lots of time and effort to do, because it did take lots of time and effort to do. Okay, so next up, what you want to do is part your hair down the middle so that you can create the bun. So I used a heap load of lock-in gel just to smooth out my hair, and then tied it up into the bun shape, wrapped it around and secured it with some elastics. From here, you really don't have much left to do on this side. I just put some lock-in gel on my edges, and then I went over it with their edge gel from ORS. I actually don't know how to say the name of it. Is it Monoil? Whatever, we're done here. Now for the other side in 3, 2, 1. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you give this a try.